Mariya Savinova of Russia won gold in the women's 800 meters Saturday at the London Games, while South Africa's Caster Semenya made a late charge for silver. Savinova overtook Kenya's Pamela Jelimo, the defending Olympic champion, coming around the final turn and finished with a season-best time of 1 minute, 56.19 seconds. Semenya sat in the middle of the pack for much of the race, but used a late sprint to take silver, crossing the finish line 1.04 seconds after Savinova. Russia's Ekaterina Poistogova grabbed bronze with a time of 1:57.53, while Jelimo was 0.06 seconds behind in fourth. Semenya won the 800 m at the 2009 World Championships, but was later subjected to gender testing to prove she was a woman. After the title in 2009, she was not allowed to compete again until July of 2010, when the International Association of Athletics Federations, IAAF,